Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply like camera tracking or like velocity and zoom effects to your videos on TikTok. So to do that, I'm just going to select the plus button here and I'm going to grab a video from my gallery. Then I'm going to hit the next button right here and I'm going, go back. And I'm going to select the edit button, which is up here. Then I'm going to select the Magic tab, and here, as you can see, they have a lot of options. You can close up, hand tracking, camera motion. I'm just going to select hand tracking here, and as you can see, it tracks his hand right here, as you can see, and it kind of zooms in as well. You can also add velocity if you'd like to. But that's pretty much it. Once it's done applying, just press the X here. Just press the X here and select next. And that's pretty much it. You can just post it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you